Hello, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Welcome to another entrepreneurial training section. In today's edition, we shall be making a review on how to prepare onion powder. And if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook, please kindly do so right away. This will give you more updated trainings, consecutive trainings, and will give you access to check all our previous trainings. So we'll be talking about onion powder in this training. We've made a video on how to prepare onion powder, which was full of errors and which we use in enlightening what we should do and what we shouldn't do. But in this training, we will do a full training on how to prepare powdered onions by avoiding the errors that we made the other time. So these are our onions. I'm not making use of much onions this time around so that our pan can contain it. Peel our onions. After peeling our onions, we slice them into more pieces. So this is our onions. This time around, I avoid them overlapping. So that is why I'm removing those that are together. So I'm breaking them so that I can dry off easily. So I'm just trying to avoid the previous mistake. So in this, we'll put them in our oven, and note it is at the bottom part of the oven and the fire is coming from above. We have a lot of means of drying. You can use hydrated machine, you can use normal sun, you can use different kinds of oven, and you can make your oven. So this is our onions after drying. It's brown. We don't have much black ones in it compared to the previous one where we all have them black. So, and as you can see, I'm breaking them. They are breaking, so means they are well dried. So I'm putting this in our grinder, then cover it up and grind. So it's grinding. So we are grinding right now. After grinding, you can see, but we still have some little particles here, so I think I should grind more. It's not as powdery as I want, so I'm grinding more. This is powdered enough. So, and I'm adding my previous productions. I already have my ginger, garlic, turmeric in my container. So after cooling that down, after making sure it's cold, then I'm adding my powder, onion powder into it. Then I mixed everything together so that I can have a full production, and you can keep this in your freezer for a year, and you can also seal it up for sales. So that's that on our onion powder. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for further trainings. Thank you.